I don't even know. I was just kind of thinking, no, is he? No, really?
The last thing that I need to do is for my girlfriend to come out here and join me. Amy, thank you so much for coming out here with me. Baby, will you marry me?
She said yes!
No, I had no idea. He even told me beforehand that he wasn't going to propose, so...